Hello Fix family, new day, new adventure. I'm on my way to hardware store to buy sandpaper. As I said, I want to remove this coating from my fork because I want to expose the carbon. I think it's gonna look way nicer than now. I really didn't like the matte black coating on this bike, on this fork from the beginning, so I want to change that before the race. I'll try to do it today and I hope I'll succeed. Also, I hope the sound quality is gonna be better because I put mics on and yeah, we'll see. As with the iPhone mics, it's not working, and also with AirPods, no chance. And as always, my bike is hip locked in front of the hardware store, so let's go in. So that's what I did. I went with 240 and 2200 water sandpaper, and this one is good for metal and similar things. The orange one is good for the wood, and also this one for the wood in similar things. So I went for this one. Hope it will work. It's not what I wanted. I wanted the one that you can put on the drilling machine, but they don't have it, so I have to do it manually. Wish me luck. Sorry for the bad angle, but because of this stupid button on side button on the new iPhones, I touched with my finger and moved from 0.5 to 1 or even more. Stupid. Someone is always blocking the bike lane. Always. So it's done. This is how it looks like. I just need to clear coat it. Rob said that it looks like a forged carbon. I don't know what to think about it, but I think it's better than like completely black. In a way it matches the handlebars and stem, also the seat post. But yeah, with some clear coat on it, it's gonna look even better. Yeah, we'll see. So far I like it, but there are some stupid things that they use some red bond or filler, I don't know what was it. So I use a Sharpie to make it black. Also different type of carbon here. Yeah, with a clear coat I think it's gonna look much better. Plus, by the way, tires arrived for me. So many. No.
That's the bike stand. Wait. Hold it. Yeah.
What have I done? I hope I didn't scratch the mighty mesh. Stay.
Scratch it.
Yeah. So tires arrived for the race. 25 in the front, 28 in the back. Also some GP 5000 for the Parallax and some indicator screen hard shell for some other bike. Yep. So it's a new tire day. Well, that's some lowrider life.
No, that's stance.
Stance, yeah, definitely. Cut. Ah, nice.
So, and then
No,
we
no,
have
I'll
to
take it out. Yeah.
Yeah, just remove.
After 1 hour of attempting to remove the bolts from the dropouts, I proudly have 2 broken bolts in the dropouts. A complete disaster. They were so crooked, and some idiot thought that this is a great idea to put an M3 bolt in a dropout. I mean, I put it in, but whoever made the threading for it, so didn't think that they're gonna get crooked. And of course that happened. I wasn't even thinking about it when I was putting them in. So now I have 2 stuck bolts there. They're broken and I have to drill them through. I tried, but didn't succeed. And honestly, after 1 hour of trying, I just gave up. So it's like this. Maybe I'll try it again later, or maybe tomorrow, to remove them and put the bigger bolts inside, proper ones. It's not a huge deal. It will be better to have bolts here to adjust the wheel. But yeah, for now it's like this. So frustrating. So that's it for this video. Tomorrow a couple of packages are arriving and I'll show you. And also I have to switch tires that arrived, and I'll build a couple of wheels and things to prepare the bike for the race. Oh, I'm so pissed about these bolts, but yeah, I'll figure something out. It's a complete disaster how crooked they are. Anyway, see you in tomorrow's video. Like, share, subscribe, comment, share, subscribe, like, and so on. Until the next one, bye bye, and enjoy the ride. That's what I wanted to say. Bye bye.